Students, today we are doing the poetry The Voice of the Rain. The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain. What is then the poetry? This is a conversation, a talk between the poet and the rain. The rain explains its eternal joy in its birthplace, that is earth, to the poet. Here, the word who art thou? Who art thou means who are you? Eternal. Eternal means never ending. Impalpable. The word impalpable, which cannot be described. Again I am repeating. Who art thou means who are you? Eternal means never ending. Impalpable means which cannot be described. In the above lines, where these who are thou till translated. In the above lines, the poet asks the soft falling shower, "Who are you?" To which the rain replied in a strange to state manner. The rain said it was the poem of the earth, and it rose continuously from the land and bottomless oceans in the form of vapors. Next, upward the heaven till unborn. Whence means where. Whence means where. Vaguely means clearly. Descendant means to come down. Descendant means to come down. Lave means wash or bath. Lave means wash or bath. Atomies means small particle. Latin means buried. The rain tells the poet that it rises upward toward the sky in the form of vapor, where it changes its form, condenses into water droplets. It also says that although its forms get changed, it still remains the same. The rain comes down to wash the drought and provides water. It also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. It gives life to the seeds. Now the next stanza, and forever till beautify it. And forever till beautify it. Rock or unwrecked. It means whether carried for or not carried for. It doesn't affect the rain nor the poet if someone listens to the rain or not. The rain says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichment and water to the place from where it originated. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty. Again repeating, the rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing life cycle for itself again. The rain is like a song that originated from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer and travelers to fulfill the earth's need and wonders. It finally comes back to the place from where it is originated, whether it is viewed or not. It returns to the original position with a lot of love and its place. Personification. The poet used a non-living thing as a living thing in the poet. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. This is the personification here. Metaphor and indirect comparison between the qualities of different things. I am the poem of the earth. Rain is being compared to a poem. Hyperbole means extract statement. Bottom let's see. Imagery means visual description of something. Soft falling shower. Thank you, students.